They shall build up ancient ruins. They shall raise up the former devastations. They shall repair the ruined cities, the devastations of many generations. Isaiah 61:4. Inspiring. But how can I build a generation when I'm in a position of complacency, inefficiency, inconsistently being the person who I thought he made me to be? Him speaking one thing and then seeing another. Using my failures and insecurities as my cover, my excuse, my proof that surely I cannot be used. So he must not be talking about me. Because how can I create something out of these ruins when I myself am ruined? Ruined by loss, ruined by heartbreak, ruined by relationships, ruined by empty promises. So maybe I really don't believe that I'll do this whatever the cost, because right now I'm feeling a little lost, feeling a little washed, feeling like I just got tossed in this wave of life, constantly reminded by my weaknesses instead of keeping my focus on the cross. Surely he cannot use me. I'm too broken. I'm too weak. But yet again, he speaks. And he reminds me that I'm not defined by my insecurities. He's not looking for perfection, he's just looking for availability. So God, if you're looking for somebody to save this city, go ahead and use me. I might be broken, I might be bruised, but now I know that does not mean I cannot be used. No longer will I be afraid, no longer will I be insecure, no longer will I be anxious. So God, if you want to, put me in an open field, because now I know, now it's my time to build.